Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into annotation feature of Playwright. So let me quickly copy this test and duplicate it. Okay. Now, if suppose I have to focus on one particular test, okay, I have 100 numbers of tests, but I want to focus on one of the tests or execute only single test, I can use test dot only. Okay. When you do this and execute the complete suite, still it will be running only one particular test which is marked with only, or number of tests which are marked with the only, those will be only executed. Let's see how. Okay, it's npx playwright test headed. Okay, so I'm running the test in headed mode. You can see only the second test will be executed. Okay, now suppose I have to skip any test, right? So let me do this. It's skip. Okay, test dot skip. Okay, so this will be the test which will be skipped. Okay, so let me rerun the test. So the first test will be executed and the second test will be skipped. Okay, so one test is skipped, one test is passed. Okay, let me also open this code. Okay, you can see first test is executed, second test is skipped. Okay, it is marked with the skip. Okay, so now I want to run tests which is having particular pattern, or suppose there is a use case sometimes that I want to run only my smoke test, I want to run only the regression test, right? So for that we can do we can use grep. Okay, and how we can do, let me show you this. Okay, this. Okay, so let me mark this test as smoke @smoke, and also I want to mark this as a regression test. Okay, second test I will mark it as regression. Okay, so what would happen is that if suppose I'm using this tag, it will run only this particular test. Okay, and if suppose I'm using the regression tag, okay, it will be executing both the tests because both the tests are marked with this regression. Okay, let's see what is the command for that. It is npx playwright test hyphen edit. Okay, then hyphen grep. Okay, you have to give the double quotes. Okay, inside that I have to mention the tag name. Okay, suppose if I have to run only the smoke test, it will execute the first test. Let's see how. Okay, one test is executed, which was marked smoke. Let's see in report what we get. Okay, the first test is executed. Okay, suppose I want to run regression test now. I will do regression, hit enter. So it will be executing both the tests because both the tests have this tag regression. We'll run two tests. Okay, so both the tests are passed. If suppose I go back to the report, you can see both the tests are executed and passed. Okay, that's all for this video.